Good morning, everyone. So guys, we'll start with the first stats, then we'll move to Python. We're done with the SQL one, okay? That is a SQL topic which we have. Again, we'll come back to SQL, okay? We just done with some part of SQL. So Anisha, are you there? So guys, we have done with 4 days with SQL. Okay, I just complete your 70-80% of your syllabus we have done. Again, some topic will be repeated for you as a refresher, and new topic will be joined. So you'll be getting 1 or 2 weeks gaps to study your SQL. Any question you ask, because if I move to the advanced version, your basic has to be strong. If a base is clear, advanced become easy for you. So that's the reason we're taking a gap. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me make a call to management. Okay. So guys, who is user over here? Anisha is there. Vallabh is there. Ragini is there. User, your name please. No one? Okay. So guys, I update you. There will be a test today. I say na skill test will be there either on Monday or Tuesday whenever I come. Every 3-4 days there will be a test for you. Means I will take a classroom test for you. A basic will be there. So are you ready or not? Are you aware? Friday, Thursday I've taken a test. Friday also have taken a test. I just want to ask you, okay? I updated you prior on Friday also. So have you studied, yes or no? SQL. We have testing joins. Till joins now. Subqueries. I did not explain you. So I'm asking you, are you ready for subquery test? I got the point here for you. Other students, take care. So when you need a test, Vallabh, Ragini, We'll keep on Thursday. Take one more gap. 7. We'll start with your test for 1. Test for any topic which I gave you. Okay. Guys, I'll come back to SQL because some parts are remaining for you. You have written. I will complete the SQL part. Then I'll further move. Okay. Anisha, are you there for me? I'm audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So who's the user over here? Can you please say your name or write the proper name of yours? Anyone over here, user, please? So Anisha, complete all the steps for the PDF one?
Yes, sir.
So are you able to just start your SQL Microsoft Studio?
I haven't understood how to open, how to use it.
Click on the Windows. Okay. You can see my screen. Just click on Windows.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I share the screen?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Give an access.
Yes, sir. Windows.
Click on expand. Top one. Come to top. Click on expand. Once again. Just hold. Right click where there is an arrow for you. Right click.
Yeah, right click.
Click on more. Click on pin to task manager.
Pin to taskbar, sir.
Yeah. Taskbar.
Okay.
You will create a taskbar. If you see down,
Yes, sir.
double click on this. Guys, just to confirm, how many people have installed SQL, done properly working for you till today? How many have done with Python, Anaconda installation? So go to your drive. There's a folder, there's a file, Word file called software installation, and do step by steps. Okay. You just have to wait, Anisha, for some seconds.
Okay.
No, it's okay. They will now connect. It's very fast over here. Online students, Ragini, Vallabh, do you have install Anaconda for you?
The SQL Server Management Studio, or what do you do?
No, I'm asking you for the in future. For future point of view, I'm asking, have you installed Anaconda and Python?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Ragini?
No, sir. I haven't done Anaconda and Python installation.
So please do. If you need a help, I can show you on Drive where is the file you will be getting. Once your Anisha, once your SQL gets started, it will take some seconds. Okay.
Okay.
Once you started, just click on connect. Okay. If you are not able to connect, just inform me.
Okay, sir.
Red 31. Guys, this is a drive for you. Okay. In your drive, you have software installation. Download this. Okay. I have given step for installation of Anaconda. Click on the link. Click on download. Double click on application. Process till here. Okay, this will take 15 to 20 minutes for installation. Depends upon your laptop speed. चलिए clear guys. Okay, so Kiran install, Ragini install. By today at home you can do installation and fine. But make sure you should have installed everything by before Sunday. Before Sunday, everything which is there on this PDF file, on this Word file, you install one by one. Clear? Someone modified it. Someone deleted something now. Image is there. Who deleted this? Who modified? Who said Khan? SID, he said Khan. Your name? Wait. Never delete anything from the drive. आपको delete कर दिया तो please mute Anisha for you.
Sir, actually I have clicked on connect, sir. Then a Windows opened, sir. 1 minute.
One second. You can share the screen, please.
Okay. After clicking on connect, like this window has come up.
1 second, Anisha. 1 second. I'm just putting up. Again, you upload it. Yes, perfectly fine for you. I'm sharing one more file. Be connected.
Sure, sir.
Can you download from the Zoom chat?
Okay.
I have given you a file in Zoom chat. Download from there. Open your Zoom. Anisha.
Yes, sir.
This one. Save it. Go to the location where you save. You double click on it. Go back. Can you see the file, recent file? Double click on this.
Okay.
Just wait. Click on always use this. Down. Always use this app.
Okay.
Click on this. Click on OK.
Okay.
Now click on once again. Click on execute. On the top, middle. Execute. Above. Next to master. Next to master, there is an execute.
Okay. Okay.
Click on this.
Sir, how to access drive?
One second. It's running for you.
Okay.
Then I'll give you the how it works for you.
Okay.
Now click on new query above execute. Close this one, second one, Northwind.
Which one, sir?
The previous file. You see the next to you, it's one.
This?
Madam, down. आपकी फाइल का नाम क्या लिखा है? SQL query लिखा है. अभी जो आपने क्लिक किया, SQL query 1 ना? See the file.
This one?
हाँ. Next to that is a Northwind.
Okay.
Next. हाँ. Click this.
Click on
Yes.
close.
Yes. Close this.
Okay.
Thank you. Come to database. Experiments. Click left in the left hand side. You have database. Left corner.
This
Click.
one, sir. Okay.
Right click. Refresh.
Okay.
Click on plus sign. Database पे plus sign left hand side corner.
Okay.
Yes. Plus sign of Northwind.
Okay.
Plus sign of table. You can stop sharing. You will find data over there. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So guys, where we are till last time in SQL, you have written subquery some part. Correct? You have written having clause. We finish. Did we finish any and all? I think you have written. What you have written? I make you write this. Remember, just perfect. Guys, what is the last code you have written over here? You tell me the name, not just a query name. This one, create table. This I explain you. I explain the importance of Go also. This you have written. This I explain you. I think yes. Till here I have done. Or I have not. I'm asking you. You know. So we have done till here. This I have not explained. Okay. To understand this query, guys, okay, the below joins, okay. First, we need to understand this part. How subquery works. Okay. So write this one. You write this as a subquery option. Inside subquery, we're using any and all function. Okay. So write this line. For any, you have two codes. Write this one. I'll explain you. Anisha, it's for you also. You have to write this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll explain one by one.
Okay.
Done everyone? Anisha, Ragini, Vallabh. SQL server or SQL question on for interviews. Guys, I'll explain the concept on screen, please. Here I have written select. I'll ask a basic question. Anisha, if you found any difficulties, please stop me in the middle, okay? I say select. I say star. Star means select means choose. So we are choosing all data from what is the meaning of table? Order details is a table name. On the left hand side, Anisha, you have masters over here. Drop down and select Northwind.
Okay, sir.
So we are selecting star means all from North from order details. Dataset table name, database name is Northwind. Run this half query, select and run this half query and tell me how many rows we have. 2155. Are you getting the same answer, Nisha?
Sir, trying, sir.
Okay. So can you share your screen, please? You can share a screen. I will guide
Yes.
you.
Yes, sir. Um. Uh, Sir, how to make full screen Zoom meeting?
Double click on the screen.
Okay.
I'm not able to see your screen. It's loading for me. Okay. Go to your screen.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Select the first line. Highlight entire thing. Click on the plus. No, select that. Click on the plus sign, Anisha. There's a plus sign. You just have to select the first line, not the entire thing.
Okay.
Press execute. Click on execute. Are you getting error? Okay.
Yes,
So you
sir.
have done spelling mistake over here. After from, delete that. After from, delete everything.
Okay.
On the first line only, okay? Delete
Okay.
this. Delete. Right order. Are you getting option order details? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Click on that. Double click on that.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
See how they have written? They have written square bracket, you have written round bracket. That was
Okay.
the error. Select the first line and click on execute.
Okay.
So how many rows you have? Right hand side bottom. Right hand side bottom. Corner right. I'm saying right. Right. Take your to the right. Can you see 2155 row?
2 1.
Bottom, right, bottom.
You want me to
I will
scroll?
show you.
Okay.
No, you don't have to scroll down. See
Okay.
my screen. Okay. This is the output which you're getting. Okay. Stop sharing. Can you see over here like this one?
Yes, sir.
So these are the number of rows which we have. Can you see the number of rows?
Yes.
2, 1.
55. Okay.
Okay. Our question is, here on screen everyone, we're selecting staff from orders means all. I want where quantity. So there's a column called quantity and the value is more than 120. Now Anisha, select entire thing, 2 rows and click on execute.
Should I see screen again, sir?
Stop sharing.
Okay.
You can see my screen now, the way I'm
Yes.
doing same way.
Okay.
Select both the rows and click on execute. So guys, how many products, how many rows are you getting in the output? 2 rows. So which are 2 products? 39 and 64 product ID. So these are the 2 products where the actual orders come to my shop is more than 120 quantities. Can I say most favorable product of a customer? Whichever product sells more. Can I say customer prefer more that? If customer prefer that product more, I should keep in stock for me. Agree?
Okay.
Now on screen, I say select. Select means choosing. Okay. I say distinct. Distinct means guys unique. Which unique I need? Product ID from order details where quantity is more than 120. Run this half ways. Your product ID is 39 over here and 64 over here. Clear guys, easy to everyone.
Yes, sir.
This is the output. Okay. So this query, the way this query is written, please mute Anisha. When you have to speak, you can unmute yourself. Okay.
Okay.
So the queries we have written from here, clear. Okay. This is called subquery. Okay. So whatever output come from subquery. What are the output guys you're getting? 39 and 64. That output will become input. Input for main query. Now question comes, what is main query? So if you see select star from product name, from product, where product ID, this becomes for you as your main query. So 39 and 64, if any of the two is present, give me his product name. Got the point? If any of this is present, give me the product name. Clear this one? Anybody want me to repeat? Please say. उसका प्रोडक्ट आईडी हम सर्च करेंगे प्रोडक्ट टेबल में और वहां से हम पिकअप करेंगे प्रोडक्ट नेम. उस आईडी का क्या प्रोडक्ट नेम है? Anyone. If you want, I can write like this way. See, if product ID is 39, what is the product name? Let me delete this for you. On screen. See, if 39 is a product ID, what is the product? If product ID is 64, then we have Wimmers. Clear? Any question, please ask. I'll repeat again for you one more time. This is very important to understand the subquery. I say select, means I'm choosing distinct product ID from a table called order details where quantity is more than 120. So we have 39 and 64. This 39 and 64 now will be searching product ID. Which table? Products. In answer, I need product ID and I need product name. Clear? Order is used for order wise for sorting in sending order. Yes. Any question, Anisha or Agni? Valla, please say. Any question in your mind, guys? Any questions, please ask. Shall I move forward? Next. Anisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me what is the meaning of this? I highlighted. Select means? Anisha, select means? Do you know? I'll repeat again, Anisha, for you. Select means we are choosing. Distinct means unique. Which unique? Product ID. So I need a unique product ID from a data table name, order details. Okay. Where quantity is equal to 10. Means wherever the order is coming for 10 quantity, give me only that order ID. How many product ID have orders? Same. 60. Clear? All these 60 guys, all these 60 will be searching product ID. We'll search in which table? Product. Any means or. What is the meaning of or, guys? Or means, what is the difference between or and and? I teach you, no? Or and and. Or means if any one of the condition is met, it will give you data. And means if both conditions are met, it will give you data. Okay. Here we have any. Any is the higher version of or. Why I say higher version? When we apply a condition, multiple condition on one column, we use any. One column. So all this product ID will search in order ID of the table name product, and it will give me the product names. Search this. So these are the 60 products which we have. Anisha, if you found the topic difficult, my suggestion for you, are you finding difficult, Anisha?
Yes, sir. Little difficult.
It will be difficult because the base is not clear. So this will be a difficult day for you. So just give me 1 second, Anisha. I'll find a solution for you. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Anisha. Okay. Guys, I'm repeating for the people who have missed some session or absent. Okay. Due to maybe any office work or not available or absent. Okay. So Anisha, Ragini, okay, or Vallabh, if tomorrow I will be again starting your basic of SQL. Okay. I'm repeating tomorrow again. I will start from the scratch for 2 people. If you want to join, you are allowed to come. Anisha, clear for you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will be teach from the scratch for you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
My suggestion, if you want to stay today, you can stay. If you want to sign out, you can sign out because it will be advanced level for you.
Okay.
It's your opinion.
Yes, sir. I will listen the class. Like.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
And classroom. No. In your timing, tomorrow 2 days will be a refresher for you, and for new people, it's a topic. You have to, if you want, you please come 2 days. Okay. So by this week, I will complete your SQL. For you people who are regular, for them, I just come to 90% syllabus done, only 10% remaining. Clear. Obey, you have to present because your set is slow. You understand, but you write slow. Okay. You come, you 3. Okay, it depends upon you two professionals. If you're willing to come, please come. Yes. Okay. Ragini, if you have query, so tomorrow there will be a basic session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Today I'm starting with the higher version. Okay, this sub queries is little bit high, guys. It's make people feel pressure on brain. Okay, sure. So guys, here we are doing a select. Okay, I done product and product name. This will give me all the product ID and all the product name which we want to search. There are 2 different tables. Okay. If you found guys any difficulty, stop me. Okay, regular students. First table name is product. Second table name is order details. Whatever output we get from the order details, this output will become input for product. And then we get output. Clear? Guys, if I do not pass this output as an input, I will get output over here. So can I say this input is very important? Okay. So this is called as sub. This is called as main query. Clear? I try to make flowchart as simple as possible. Okay. If you want to draw, guys, you can try. You can draw. So sub query, this is your main query. Not take on Friday. Done, written, everyone? I'll move forward. Okay. Any means, right statement. Sorry, multiple or condition. Well, it's systematic, guys. Some people will not able to read. Same thing I'm writing. Just a proper multiple or condition in one column. Right, for and multiple and condition in one column. I just change from or to and. Okay. Done, everyone? If I say select distinct product ID, means I'm finding unique product ID where quantity is 10. So all this product ID will become for me as my subquery. That subquery will become input for product. All this product ID will search in product table, will give me product ID plus product name. If any one is also present, it will give me the output. If all is present, also give me the output. That's a definition of OR. Or say, is I written any over here? Sorry, any. There's a definition of any, and this is not and. Sorry, all here. My mistake. So any means or, applying multiple or condition on one column. Or means anyone present will give you output. All is true will also give you output. Till you clear? Next. I say select product name from product, where product ID is equal to all. Now let's understand subquery first. Select distinct product ID from product details where quantity is 10. How many rows are you getting, guys? I'm getting 60 unique product IDs. Till clear? All this output will become input for product. And here I'm writing a query called all. So all these 60 will search in product and I should get answer for all. If any one of the product ID is not matched, I will get no output. Till you clear? So all this product ID, searching in product ID of products. Run this. I'm getting blank. So it may happen any one of them is not present. If it is not present, I'll give you blank. Easy, guys. Can you see this look like or and any or and and only? But multiple times. Easy. Shall I move forward to now higher level? Guys, I'm not saving this code now. You make backup for you on screen. Again, I will start this, guys. Okay. What is the meaning of use? Use function. Before I have written this one. Have written? I don't think so. Take your time. Cross check. Vallabh, Agni, you both are present all days. Update. If not, on screen. I'll explain slow by slow. Okay. I'll start from here. I select Northern for me. I say select star from orders. What is the meaning of this? All the rows and columns from order tables. How many are you getting? 830. So you get, guys, 830 rows. Okay. Now let's move this one. Select distinct customer ID from customer. Which country customer? UK. So I want data of UK customers. How many we have? 7. Clear? You don't have query in this. Clear? All these 7 customers we get. And this all 7 customers are from which country, guys? UK. UK customers. Clear? Next. Question number 2. What I'm getting on customer ID. I want to find how many customers have given how many orders. One customer can give 1 order. One customer can give 3 orders. One customer can give 10 orders. Possible? So it can be n number of orders. So all this customer ID, all 7 customer, I'm searching in orders of customer IDs. And then I'm sorting also. See. So 7 customer of UK have given how many orders? We search in 856. How many orders we get? 56. So 7 customers have given 56 orders. Clear? Easy, guys. Now next one. Again, I say select order from customers. We get 2-1 order details. How many are you getting? 2,155 number of rows. This number of rows are present in order details. On screen. I select star from order ID. From orders. Where shipping countries? Poland. Means from Poland we are going to ship. How many customers we have? 7. So from orders, we have taken only 7 customers. This customers of which country? Clear? So 7 customers are Poland se hain. And we have all their order ID. Their order ID, we will search in order details. Can I say in one order ID, can we bring 3 products? Example, okay. Let's say order ID, you book a product from Amazon, you get ID ABC14, example. And this order, you book, let's say mobile phone. You have booked, say book, you have taken book and pen. You have taken earphone also. How many products we have? 3. How many order ID we have? 1. At a time we can book 3 products ना, तो वो 3 प्रोडक्ट हैं और एक ऑर्डर है. If you go to the retail store, you can pick up 5 bhajis and you pay at one time. It's become 1 order and 5 products. Clear? So all this order ID, I'm searching in order details. Clear? And I need for every order how much money they spend. Okay. Let's first give you an example, guys, what we are finding. Okay. Let's say order ID number 10248. How many we have, guys? 3 orders. Order ID same. So can I say he may have purchased 3 different products? Can you see the product name is different, guys? Okay. How much quantity he has purchased? 12, 11, 10, 42, and 5. Sorry. Can you give me total how much money he spent? How you will find? Unit price into quantity plus again unit price into quantity plus, can you sum and do me, guys? Can you give me that? We just have to multiply 2 columns, guys. It's not a very difficult job. For this customer, you just have to multiply this 2. How much? 440. Okay. So can I say unit price into quantity? Then I do a sum. Will give me total cost on screen. Unit price into quantity. Then I do sum. Sum of each and every order will give me total cost. Here I have function and here we have without function. So what should I do in group by? Order ID. So we are finding for the Poland country, how many customers have given orders and how much money they spend on each order. What is the answer I'm getting? Order ID is 103. This order ID spent how much money? 459. It may have 2 products or 10 products, we don't care. We only care about how much they spend. Clear? Easy. Can we found how much quantity he purchased? How much, let's say how many product he purchased? On every ID, I want to find how much quantity. Sorry, my question. How many product? So what should be the function over here? Sum, count, can you count like this way? Order it is countable, na? 3 times repeat हो रहा है मतलब 3 orders है. We can say this as number of product purchase. Agree. You can say like this one. Guys, let's do some discussion on business point of view. Okay, let's check how you think. Okay. Now, guys, this customer has spent how much rupees? 459 and purchased how many products? 2. This customer purchased spent 808 and spent 3 products purchase. This also 3. But can I say he spent less amount of money? Spend less hai. Like number of product is more. Guys, anytime have you went to purchase any bhaji? कभी खरीदा टमाटे कांदे? Okay, which is costly? I don't know. I think I'm asking you. Okay, which is the costly vegetable? You take 250 grams of paneer. Okay, and you take 250 grams of, let's say, methi, or let's say, or methi not purchasable in the gram, no? Bindi, which is more costly. Amounts sometimes remain same. The quantity, the price, quantity remains same, but the price also differs. Got the point? So now, according to you, which customer is most important to me? He customer one product, okay, and spend 600 up around 591. But he purchased. Why don't you contribute this people? Why you have not considered this people? That is the question. Catch. Who purchased one product from you? Can I say he trusts you only one time? If the person purchased more products from you, can I say he can become frequent customers for you? Frequency is important or purchasing one time is important? Got the point? So Amazon company, Flipkart company, they don't want customer to come one time and spend lakh of rupees. They want customer should come multiple times and spend amount of money less. It's okay. Today you are spending less, tomorrow you'll spend more. The frequency play a very critical role. Clear? So let's move forward. Let me make this. I'm just making this file for you. I think this is already in there, my system. If you feel like anything heavy, stop me. Okay, I will make more simple for you. I'm saving this file in foreign data. Then we see this data. Clear? Next, I say select staff from orders. In orders, guys, I'm adding a new column called as a delivery date. Okay, so order table. This table, orders table. I want to add delivery days and data type is float. Clear? Okay. Now, guys, if I want to compute the delivery days, how we will compute that? When delivery happen, guys? When we give order. So after giving order, we receive ship date. This is the process. So we can say that ship date minus order date will give you the day of delivery taken. The function name over here is datedef, which used to subtract 2 dates. Updating in order, which variable? Delivery day. Datedef means date ka difference. I need in format of day level. Order date and ship date. So ship date minus order date will give answer in day level. Let me run and show you. What is the first ship date, guys? Give me the first row ship date. You can also run. Select staff from orders. Shipping date is what? First row, what is the shipping date? 16/7/1996. What is the order date? How much difference we have? Are we getting to over here? Same way we have done for second, third, and fourth. Till you clear? Ubaid, Vallabh, Ragini, Anisha.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anisha, you will just understand the concept, how we're doing over here. Okay. Now, alter means add changes in table, which table? Poland. I want to add, what I want to add? Shipping cost. Data type is float. Next, product cost. Next, derivatives. How many columns I'm adding? 3 columns. Can you say all 3 columns are empty? Because I have to update data. Select star from orders. Now on screen, guys. What is the meaning of shipping cost, guys? Anyone can explain? Shipping cost means, do we pay any shipping cost when you book order? As a customer, do we pay shipping cost? If more than 500, not. If it is not more than 500, we have to pay. It's a rule of Amazon. Okay. So there is a data table name called as order tables. And this freeze is called as shipping cost. So from order table, I need this column. All this column value will come in shipping cost. From order tables, can I say we make delivery days? Will come in delivery day. Which table, guys, we are updating now? So Poland में ये तो column को update करना है. Till you clear? Any question, please ask. Next, I am doing joins, order and Poland means wherever they combine. So order ID of Poland is equal to order ID of orders. For whichever order, for example, if I book order number ABC, give me that shipping cost. For that, give me the delivery days taken to deliver that product. So wherever for the Poland customers, their order, I'm comparing with order ID of order. If there is a match, give me delivery days and fetch.
Sir, You are not audible.
Okay, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. I repeat again. Update in Poland. We are updating in Poland. In which two column? Shipping cost and delivery. This two column data has to be taken from orders. Clear? Next, I say where order ID of Poland means only for Poland customers, means all these 7 customers order is equal to orders order ID. Then only take data from orders and update the data for us. Clear? Now guys, what is the cost for shipping for order ID number 1037? How much is the shipping cost he pay, guys? And how much time it takes to deliver this product? 4 days. To prove yourself, I've taken select fixed and delivery days from orders where order ID is 103. How much time they're taking, guys? Shipping cost is 3.94 and days taken 4 days. Same output we're getting prior. Clear? So for every order, what is the shipping cost and how much time it takes to deliver? That we have found. Can I say use in every business? On screen. So total, how many orders we have in Poland, guys? How many orders we receive from the Poland? 7. In 7, how many have order total cost more than 300? Can I say except this one? Except 4, everyone have given the cost more than 300. So we get 6. All 6 order ID will search over here. Okay. Then I do total cost minus shipping cost. Updating in product cost. Which table? Poland table. My question for you guys. Why it's coming null over here? हमने क्या किया? Total cost minus.
But हमारा जो सब query था उसका output 6.
Condition has to be more than 300. This is not more than 300. तो इस रो के लिए उसने अपडेट नहीं किया. Got the point? Sub query output was applied. So we say ना total cost has to be more than 300. वही ऑर्डर के लिए मुझे क्या अपडेट करना है? प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट. जो भी प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू लेस देन 300 है उनके लिए अपडेट नहीं करना है. क्लियर? इजी. Next. Now there is a missing data. Null is called as missing data. Now I say update in Poland. Set product cost is equal to total cost. For which row? Where product cost is null. Easy, guys. See, product cost is null means your this value is equal to this value. Clear? Guys, anywhere we have shipping cost less than 10 rupees? Where we are? First one, if you see less than 10, and we have 10 total, how many we have? Number of rows? The 7 minus 2, 5. Be on screen. I said delete. Deleting from Poland. ये clear हो गया? I say select order ID where orders fridge value is less than or equal to 10. So how many we have? Run this half query, guys. You can also write down. Select order ID from orders where fridge value is less than or equal to 10. How many rows? So 176 orders हैं जिनकी shipping cost less than 10 है. Okay. All order ID we will search in Poland. If that is present, वो क्या हो जाएंगे? Delete. Easy. If any of this order ID is present in orders of Poland, what I will do? Delete. So we have 2 remaining, as you mentioned, 2 are less than 10. Total are 7. 7 minus 2 will become as 5. So I should get answer as. Can you see I'm getting answer as 5 only? We are saying wherever the product ID is, wherever the shipping cost is less than 10, for only for that orders, I need to delete the data. So we are deleting this one and we are deleting this row. Why we are deleting? Because the shipping cost is less than 10. That's the reason. The sub query gave all the orders ID where order is less than 10 shipping cost. So ये 176 order हैं जिनकी shipping cost 10 rupees से भी कम है. उनमें से रिमूव होंगे. It's clear, easy. What is the meaning of drop? Delete. Table means this is the actual output and I am deleting that. Any question, please ask. So far, any questions? No? Done this one? This also? I make you write, I remember. Have you written this part? No? Write this. Write this as very important. Right? Like case when query. Done, everyone? Are the students? Shall I? Okay. We'll do one by one. Okay, step by steps. Into will use later. Guys, into statement is used when you're confident you will get output. When you're confident I will be getting output, then you use into. First cross check, are we getting output or not? If getting, then save now. I say select order ID and quantity. How many columns are selecting? 2 columns. Case when means if else. We had a query called if then else. Understand case when the quantity value is more than 30. What I need answer as high. Less than 30, low. So you have this type of scale with you. Think like this way. You have a very border scale for you. It's a numbers is from 0 to 100. As an example I've taken. If I say more than 30, okay, I'm talking about this area. If 30 comes over here. Less than 30 means this area. Clear? Less than 30 is low. More than 30 is high. It may possible somewhere may have exact 30 also. For exact 30 we require equal. This query I have written. So any value, if quantity is less than 30, I need low. If both the condition is above both condition, first condition, second condition, if both the condition fail, then give me equal by default. And I want to end this query. A stand for alias. And what is the column I am giving? Quantity status. Fetching from the details. Run this and cross check first. On screen. Okay. Can I say this 21 is less than 30? Answer should come as low. 35 greater than 30 should come as high. Can we call this is equal? At the point, guys, easy. Any question? You can scroll down and check for each and every row. If your answer is correct, then you can write into backup 1. Done for you. Instead of saving in backup 1. Is there any question? Take a break. 10 minutes. After break, we will continue. Okay.
You are still working.
Yeah. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just on testing phase for 2 months. If it has come correct, I will take a retirement, but I will not leave teaching. I will teach. Teaching is my hobby.
How do you manage job and teaching?
Job, office. This is my office laptop. Nothing. I just have to make a meeting and something is going on. So people manage you when you have something. If you don't have something, people make you manage as per them. Okay. So I have a very clean knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, एकदम accurate with pen paper myself. Stats is a base. No, I don't have. BSc stats, that's my main subject, where we learn the basic. I teach you stats to you. Whatever you have learned, that is our basic syllabus. Okay. Then MSc is advanced version, which you will be learning in machine learning. Okay. Then I learned this by myself plus in classroom. So my way of learning is whatever you learn, do in a software, compare the output. If it is 100% match, means you are on a correct path. Coding is something written based on the maths only. If your pen paper is correct and you do in a software, it is match exactly same. You're right. From books, from in office. When I joined the office, like after my BSc and MSc, after my BSc, I was not aware of any software. When I joined MSc, I go to NMIMS, they teach us R, they teach us Python. Python, I think, nahi tha mere time pe. We just have R and SAS. Tableau Power BI is also not there in my syllabus at that time. Now we have everything. Okay. We basic, how to import data, how to export data, how to do plus minus. It's a very base level. But when you do a project in MSc, okay, we have to go to office. So when you go to office, you start learning. For 6 months, you have to go to office. In 2 years, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, we are in college. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are in office. This will be managed 6 months. We learn the skill. Then also I'm not capable. I have not learned the skill over there. I'm just doing, oh, office acha hai, coffee is there, bread is there. We are like this way. Everything is free for us. So we feel like hum kuch to hai. It's free for us. Then we found we are interns, so it's free for us. Okay. Then I went to the office Kotak. I start learning everything from there. Your manager is good, you will get lots of knowledge. If your manager is not supporting, indication you work for big four companies, for you it's like a penny. Works for a small firm or a big firm does not make any sense. It depends on how your manager treats you. If your manager gives you the highest knowledge, why to work in a big company or small company? Go to small. If you're getting a low knowledge and the company brand value is high, don't go. This will not make you unique in market. Okay. So my first job is, by the grace of God, the manager is very good. He teaches me everything. Based on 2 years, I was the first person in my college who started his own company. 2 years is like nothing. I deal with CFO, COO, everything of Reliance, L&T, financial services, Cipla, people who are CFO, who are COO, they given me offer. Now also, if I'm job. I said, no, Martin, I don't want to come. I'll do a project. Very important. If you have a clean knowledge of any specific topic, either you work will or any specific thing, clean knowledge, accurate knowledge will give you one day at very high level as an employee. Want to start something new on by yourself? Clean knowledge, practice, confidence, okay, presentation skill. You have to work on this parameter. And something that people have not done, you have to think in that way. Means you have to read research paper. Then you will be able to find some solutions. to remove a laziness from your body, the structure which I follow, you follow every day 1 hour. Vala, please move yourself.
Yes, sir.
Please move. Okay. So structure for study for every person is a topic-wise study. Do not study sitting one day, studying all things. Don't do like this way. Okay, does not make any sense. This will not increase your level in the company. One topic, let's say SQL. Topic number 1, day 1. In day 1, whatever we learn in 3 days, 3 hours, okay, pick up that day 1 topic and study 1 hour. Say 1 hour. उसके beyond नहीं. 1 hour हो गया, laptop बंद. कुछ नहीं करना. Second, start reading economics time if you are able to understand that paper. Okay? Paper से पढ़ो, mobile से नहीं. There's a huge difference between a pen paper and this. If technology have become too robust in world, why don't we use in colleges? Why teachers are teaching in pen paper? There has to be some significance. So what you see, what you write, your mind remember. But if you only see and you don't write, you will forget it. That's why teachers in all over Pan India level, they prefer you to write. Okay. Second, take one topic of any, like we have not covered the stats part. Okay. Take any one research paper or SQL, any something in SQL, how we can do more. What I have teach you guys is only relevant for you to get a job. To sustain in a job, we are using this part. Plus, there has to be some advance. There has to be some improvisation. That I will not teach you. Nobody can teach you. You have to study by yourself. At the point. So that's become your input. 30 minutes is your input. Per day, 1.3 is more than enough to become a topper. Read an SQL, that's what interview question of SQL. Why SQL is used? Okay. If I'm understanding in this way, what Google say, what another author say, we have the blogs now, different websites. Compare like this way. Make yourself ready. What happened? People know SQL. They write SQL, but they are not able to speak about SQL.
This can happen to me. I can write program. I can't explain.
If thing like this, where you are working in a company, you do your work, you work hard, you spend more time, okay, and another person come make PPT of your works in present. As compared to senior manager who was sitting in a crowd, you are explaining them what they understand you have done or she has done. The person who speak, they believe इनको पता है. आपने किया होगा थोड़ा सा help, but you are not a key whole and soul. He or she is a whole and soul who is presenting. So presenting has to be very important. So explanation people lag in the company. 75% of the employee have talent, but they lag because they don't know how to explain. So they become the backend people. 10% of the employee don't know nothing. They only present. And they are survival at a very high good package.
About that topic. There are so many presentations, but they don't know how to present. Maybe they comfortable by speaking English, but some people from foreign background
They speak
English and speak very nicely. They just said, yeah, you are good. And you have knowledge.
I'll give you one person of my NMIMS student. He's from UP. In UP, I think people, he belongs to which community now? वहाँ पे English नहीं बोलते. He completed his entire graduation. उसको English नहीं आती. He's from Hindi medium. Point number 1. 11th, 12th, suddenly he swings to English. As per the rule of government, he got 80%. Then he got 60%. Graduation, he got 98%. He come to NMIMS. He's a gold medalist of UP in maths. When he come to stats in NMIMS have a rule. Every week or every 2 weeks, there will be a presentation. And he feel very shy. How should I present? He go to the board, he keep on writing. Read this, please, like this way, and understand. Teachers were like, at least you speak. Then he starts speaking Hindi. People start laughing at him. I also laugh. Everyone have laughed. Okay, ठीक है यार, मतलब हिंदी बोल दिया तो उसमें बुरा क्या है? First semester top. Second semester again top. Consistent topper of 6 semesters. Okay. Company comes for him to hire. He give an offer to the company. I don't want your offer. I want this offer. Do you want me? Pay this much. Company say okay. Then he say I need this also. I forgot to say one condition more. Okay. So now his salary is very high in CR. More than $1 million CR. You can assume like this way. Okay. So knowledge is very important. I went to one of the scientists named C.R. Rao. He's an Indian scientist of statistics. I went with my teacher. My teacher received an award for International Innovation Award of Statistics in 2012. 13 or 14 ke beech mein. I went over there. I thought like my teacher is dumb. Then he said, Irfan, you come with me. We are going to Calcutta. I will give you the flight ticket. You come with me. We will got to know what is the power of stats. I said, stats mein kuch nahi hota, ma'am. Math se hi stats aa jaye. So why to become a son? I will become a father, na? I will go to maths. He said, come for one day with me. We'll go to the Calcutta. You see the power, you come back. I went over there. I meet this guy. Full security. Approximately 10-20 bodyguards, policemen, then security, everything is there. And he said, Irfan, kahan se ho? I said, sir, Mumbai se. Kiske saath aaye ho? Like, ma'am, unko na award milne wala hai koi faltu sa. Aise maine bol diya. I came here, कि award hai ceremony, I came for that. ठीक है. So you know stats? Well, yes. How much you know? I have everything. He's like, oh, Irfan, you know everything in stats, still BSc. Brilliant. Can you explain me this topic? So madam बोले, हाँ Irfan, explain करो. I start explaining in Hindi, लेकिन I was fearing. Then he said, I am the author who invented the topic. Explain me. Now I feel like different, na? Because if you invented, you know better than me. I feel like shivering. He said, Irfan, okay. I invented on my thinking. You understand on your thinking. You explain me that part. I explain him in Hindi. Hindi, English, Hindi, English. For me, बहुत हुआ. He said, Irfan, we are not over here for a literature subject. We are over here for analytics subject. So speak analytics. Don't speak English. What you have done, prove me that. So language is for presentation, it's okay. But give you 10%. But 90% is your analytical performance. To make 100%, you have to speak English. That's the point. So then he received, then I found interest. I have not paid my BSc fees. My teacher have paid the fees. Irfan, tu nahi bharega. Tu maths nahi jayega. Tu stats hi lega. I said, no, sir, I want to go to maths. Because in maths, I got 100 out of 100. 100 out of 99, 98. This was my maths marks. In stats, 67, 76, 80, 87 something. Then he said, Irfan, you're a good mathematician. A good mathematician can become a good statistician. But a good statistician never become a good mathematician. That's why one of my surname is Nadeem Siddiqui. He helped me to become like this way. Now, entire bank, irrespective of bank in the world, have to follow his research paper. If you don't follow, a bank will be bankrupted. So he is a person who guided me. I say, okay, let's study. So this is my journey from BSc till MSc. Then in MSc, we get a basic knowledge. We go to the office. Whatever I have learned, SQL, Python, R, I study everything in office. Everything. Data import se leke export tak. The main thing is a manager has to be good. So to get in office, guys, my main thing is knowledge of stats, knowledge of machine learning is important. Nobody, if you go for interview, nobody will ask you to write the code. They will tell you what is the meaning of select. Ubed explain. What is the meaning of star? Can you explain? What is the use of distinct? Can you explain? Okay. What is the use of case when? Can you explain? What is the difference between subquery and main query? Subquery is important to get a main query or not? This type of questions will come. This is a theory questions. People will ask you. Some companies take aptitude. Over there, you have to write the code. But they don't give you the laptop. You have to write on pen paper. Get the point? To write on pen paper, can I say this all concept have to be clear? If concept clear, then only you will able to write either on pen paper, either on laptop. If concept is not clear, means no knowledge. No knowledge, no office. At the point. So make yourself very clear for you guys. Sure. So guys, from my side, coming back to the topic, I finish your SQL part. Okay, whatever we have in the syllabus, in and out. I extend some topic beyond the syllabus also, just to make you aware how we use an office. Okay. My suggestion for you guys, practice at every level. Friday, I will take a test for you. For you people who are regular, will be based on complete syllabus. The people who are will be new, like Ubaid, if you want complete or you want subpart. Okay. So the people who will be new, like Ragini and Anisha, for you will be the syllabus I'll give you on Thursday. Okay. So guys, we will start with base of Python now. Okay, a basic introduction I will give you now. We will not start the programming stuff. Okay, we will start with programming stuff later. Ragini, have installed the Python Anaconda? You? Okay. You have. Ubaid, you have? You have? Okay. On screen, I'll give you the first basic introduction. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Ragini. So let's talk about phone, guys. Who invented mobile phone? I'm not saying phone, I'm saying mobile phone. Which company was very famous in mobile prior? Nokia. So Nokia was the first company who came into Indian market and given the phone with low cost to every customers. And they become, as an invention, they become a very huge company. So Nokia, let's consider Nokia invented a phone for us, as a small phone. Okay. Now guys, we start using iPhone, we start using OnePlus, Realme, and so on. Which phone is better? Better होता है. Which phone is best for you? Do you prefer Nokia phone, वो डब्बा वाला, where we have button 1, 2, 3 to 9, or you want to use smartphone like this way? So assuming Nokia was the first invention into the customer market. So they have done invention of the phone to each and every customers. Can I say iPhone, OnePlus, Realme, Redmi, they are just doing a modification? Agree? What happened with the Nokia phone? Can we call? Can you make a call with this phone? Can you make a call from this phone? The features are same here. They just make some small modification. From here also you can use internet. But the net is slow. Okay, processing power is less. So can I say that iPhone, OnePlus, everything is just a modification? They are not invention. Can you call like this way? The first time the thing is invented, that is called invention. After later, people keep on doing modification. Clear? Can I say Python? So guys, Python was invention. Okay. And look, it look like older, ugly faces. We don't prefer the way he look like. So what people have done, they have make a good interface. Like Nokia phone look like old, so they make a better screen, touch screen. Can I say they look like a better interface? How we look at the phone. Same way they have make a better interface called as Jupyter. Guys, do we have only one type of phone or we have many? Many. Same way we have Jupyter, we have Spider, okay, we have PyCharm. These are different type of screen. What we read on the screen? Python. So can we call these are the modification? Now everything when come on one place, we call as one hub. So ये सब एक ही location पे है. And that location name is called as Anaconda. So Anaconda is a hub where all the interface are present. Can you see Anaconda? First interface name, Spider, Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, PyCharm. So these are nothing but a small interface. Let me show you how interface look like. Close. Okay, they'll change the screen. Are you able to see the screen? Guys, can you see over here? Ideally, this was shell for Python. This was actual Python, where we write codes. Small code we write and we keep on running. This look like old version because of the interface. So they make a new interface, which look like this way, which look like this way. Meaning remains same, code remains same. Okay, only the screen look like different. Got the point? Either use Nokia or either use iPhone. Both are used for calling. So either use Python older version, older means ideally, or you can use new interface. Clear? Any question on this? Please ask. Agni, will have any question on this?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, the person who invented Python was actual invention. Anaconda mein we have Jupyter, Spider, PyCharm. They are just some modifier, a better interface, I can say. Here we write code of Python. Here also we'll write code of Python. It remains same. Now guys, click on Windows and write Anaconda prompt. In Windows, black Windows. Can you see my screen? Write conda list. Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt होगा in case. Write conda list and press enter. Done, guys. Are you getting some output? Can you search P for panda? So, guys, I will ask you a basic question for you on the list. A basic question for you. If we have Nokia and we have iPhone or OnePlus, we call smartphone. Can I say this OnePlus gives some more features as compared to Nokia? Then only we preferred. So Python, what happened, guys? They have every package. Means package means if you want to use any special function like distinct. In select distinct, do we create? We create select function. We create distinct. Can I say we use them? Yes. So if you want to use any function which is given by any author, any programmer, if you're using in Python, you have to install manual. But if you're using in Anaconda, it's given by default. So this is one feature of Anaconda. Got the point? Easy. That's why we prefer to use always Jupyter Lab, any interface of Anaconda. Till you're clear. This is a base introduction about your Python. Easy. Guys, we are not starting with the Python. Just we have 5 minutes. I want to utilize that. Again, when we come for a Python point of view, that time we'll start a Python. Okay. So we will stop now, guys. Okay, because if I start with Python, because tomorrow again we have SQL base. Okay. So Ragini, you have to be present tomorrow for SQL because I'm starting from the scratch. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow I may increase the time by 2:30 only. Because we have 11:30 to 2:30. Today I'm finishing by 2. Tomorrow I'll finish by on time. So done for today, Ragini. Any question?
No, sir.
Thank you. No question, guys. You can sign out.
Thank you, sir.